Well, day three of the inaugural International Film Festival in Delhi. Joining us is actor Manoj Bajpayee. Before his masterclass, Manojji, welcome to Delhi. And how do you feel that the city where you learnt a lot of acting in has now got its first International Film Festival?
Delhi used to be the center of all the festivals because International Film Festival of India used to be held here. And those were the days when we used to frequently visit the festival to watch the films, or sometimes we used to be one of the volunteers just to be part of the festival. Sadly, it was shifted to Goa, and then Delhi was completely devoid of any kind of film activities. I'm so happy that a festival of its kind is being organized from this year. My only request will be to get as many deserving films as possible from all over the world. Invite as many creative people related to those films as possible, because it's the festivals and the excitement around it will teach all the new generation. For them, it will be a moment or moments to learn too many things about their own job, be it editing, direction, acting, whatever.
How much do you still watch world cinema and get inspired by it?
Look, we are the students of cinema and acting, so I watch, one show or one film every time. I'm always kind of around for 2 hours. I always devote when I'm free to the screen to catch whatever is happening in the world.
Like very quickly, you have your masterclass also today, plus your film Shool is being screened again. So excitement for the masterclass and the screenings?
I've said yes to attending this because I got quite excited to come to know that Shool is being screened. Look, I look like a grandfather already. I started feeling like that because, Shool is 28 years back. And now I could not believe myself that Shool has become so big and such a cult status it has taken that the organizers have thought of showcasing this film for the younger generation. Yeah.
I'm sure now also wherever you go, you get asked when is the next season of Family Man coming?
I don't know. Look, fourth season is almost written. They will start taking the dates after 2-3 months, 4 months. That's always going to be our next. By the end of this year, hopefully, we'll start shooting. Yeah.
Over to that, sir. Final question. A lot of conversation on AI and filmmaking as well. Do you believe it's going to be a boon or a bane?
Every new technology is boon or a bane. Okay, it always depends as to how you use it. Definitely, most of the filmmakers are going to use it. I know for sure that some of the very, very intelligent filmmakers and the directors who have great credibility, they are going to use it just when it is required, not just for the heck of it, or to decorate it beautifully. No, everything will be according to the plan, according to the story and the script and the screenplay. But my only question is still stands. How can AI create something which is away from the data which is available on the internet? Can they think of something new? Can AI think of something new? Or is it only going to be the accumulator of all the stuff which is already there, or which is already made? So AI should also be used with a lot of intelligence. AI is not going to give you all the solution. Even now, there are many. If you put one subject there, and if you try to give your own interpretation to it, AI says, yeah, you are also right. So 70% of the time, AI is going to approve or approve what you are saying. They are not going to negate you. But it's up to you what you want to choose, what you want to pick it up from. So it's a human experience. How can you replace it with AI is something I would like to see.